Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to compare the Geek Benchmark test scores comparison between all of these three Snapdragon processors which I got right now. So very soon we're going to see the Snapdragon 898 processor also getting launched, and we did get the couple of leaks and rumors about the Geek Benchmark 5 scores of this exact processor. Let's see how much difference we can actually expect from Snapdragon 898 processor versus Snapdragon 888 processor. So right now I do have the Snapdragon 888 processor, two smartphones and two devices with the Snapdragon 870 chipset as well. So in this way we'll be able to see what's the difference between all of these three Snapdragon processors, how much difference can it be there with the single core and with the multi-core results. That is what my main idea of comparing all of the three smartphones together in one single video. So let's get started friends without wasting any time. So first I'll try to open the results which I got in the Snapdragon 888 chipset. So this is the highest score which I got in the Snapdragon 888 from the Realme GT. And this is a device which I got the Mi 11 device. So Mi 11 also has got the Snapdragon 888 processor. And next is iQOO 7 also has the Snapdragon 870, which has got the highest score about 3000. I'm trying to keep the highest score as much as possible every time. And this is the single core performance on the Snapdragon 898 chipset, as you can see friends exactly. So these are the rumors which we did get gathered from the Twitter account of the ICE Universe, as you can see. So from there I did gather this kind of information, and where the Snapdragon 898 processor will be having single core performance of 1200. If you try to compare with the Snapdragon 888 processor with the single core performance, which is about close to 1141 and 1126 kind of thing regarding the single core, it's kind of very close, not a huge difference. I would say maybe 50 difference is there between these two processors. And if you try to look at the Snapdragon 870, so I think close to 200 kind of difference is there, 150 to 200 difference from this Snapdragon 870 to the Snapdragon 898. And if you try to look at the multi-core performance, which has got about 3900, and multi-core in the Snapdragon 888 processor, which is about 3600 score we got in the Realme GT device. And this is a Mi 11 device which has got 3300, and 3500 highest in the iQOO 7 device, which has got in the Snapdragon 870 3500, and 3000 in the Realme GT Neo 2 with the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So overall, if you try to compare Snapdragon 870 3500, Snapdragon 888 processor 3600, 3500, 3600, and 3900 in the Snapdragon 898 processor, you can see how it increased from year to year. There's a difference of 100 difference is there, but from year to there multi-core difference is a lot, 300 difference is there. That's a huge difference in terms of the multi-core performance results. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this friends. This is a quick comparison between all of these three processors which I thought of doing in one single video, so which might be giving you a clear idea what is going on. And very soon we'll be seeing the phones getting launched with the Snapdragon 898 chipset as well, which is Mi 12. I think that will be the first phone to get the Snapdragon 898 chipset. So let me know in the comments below friends, what are your thoughts on this Geek Benchmark test, and what are your thoughts on the Snapdragon 898 processor as well. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.